What's up guys, welcome back to another unboxing video. And for this unboxing video, we have one of our vicrez replacement front grills. Now this is for a Chevy Silverado fitting 2019 to 2021 models. Now let's go ahead and open this up and show you what it looks like. So now here we have our grill, and as you guys can see, it's just blank. It doesn't even have the Chevy badge, but it does have the clips for the Chevy badge to be inserted in. And this is just our plain regular matte black one. I do believe we also have a chrome one as well. And then on the back here, you can see it does have the tabs at the bottom for it to snap in, as well as in the middle and on the sides. And also here on the right. You can also bolt it in on these top ledges here. Now, other than that, this is just our replacement grill. If you do get into a wreck, this does provide OEM replacement specs. So you can pretty much just pull the broken one off and slap this one on and you'll be ready to go again. It also does have the holes pre-drilled in the top so you can rivet it in place. Other than that, that's pretty much it for this video. If you want to see more videos like this one, consider subscribing and giving us a like. And other than that, peace.